How to create Memoji on Apple Watch. So if you have any of the Apple Watch series that runs on WatchOS 11, then this video is going to walk you through how you can create your own Memoji on your Apple Watch. So if for none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to create Memoji on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the two crown once. Now scroll down with the two crown just like this. Locate the Memoji icon and then click on it. Once you click on that, then you should see samples of Memojis you can create. Now scroll down, make your own Memoji, make it look like you or Get Creative. Then scroll down and click on Get Started. Now you want to hang on. Once you click on Get Started, here you'll be prompted to choose your skill, hairstyle, eyebrow, eyes, head, nose, and the rest of them. So go ahead and click on Skin, and then select your screen using the digital crown. Then you can swipe through, select your face, then select your freckles. Now select your cheeks, so you can just swipe down like this to select your cheeks. Swipe through again, click on select cheeks color, then hit the back button. Repeat the same thing on hairstyle. Come back again, scroll down, click on brow, then choose a different brow, hit the back button. You can just click on head, select your type of head, then choose your head. Here you can just scroll through, select the shape of the head you want to use, hit the back button, then you can choose a pointed nose or a wide one. Hit the back button again, then go ahead, choose your facial hair, then scroll down, eyewear, that's your glasses. You can choose the eye color, then you can choose the lens color. Once you're done with all this configuration, including clothing, then body, select your body shape. Select your body shape, choose chest type, you see that? Then your shoulder, then again waist. Then once you're done, come back, and once you're done configuring your Memoji, go ahead and click on the check button at the top right. Then hang on while your Memoji is created. See that? So this is your new Memoji. So that is basically how to create Memoji on smartwatch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.